Good shot, striker.
Thank you.
Right, the birdie man's on it. This is a reachable par 5. Dan's birdie's coming at least pairs. 3 down. Good going that.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, that's not the line, but I don't think, I'm not sure if he hit that one or not. He doesn't say, so it's hard to tell. There it is, just in amongst the trees, but
Left of them slightly?
it's left of that, yeah, I got it on right on the viewfinder. I think you'll be fine. I think you'll be seeing green, just in the rough a bit. Just stay there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it needs to turn off that position. Up the
He's
right, over
got
this
left,
tree with a
yeah.
nice draw.
Yeah. His partner's birdie in every hole, so there's nothing else you've got to give.
No, that's true. Good point.
Drive it
Played us
left.
all out. Oh,
Yes, there he goes.
taking off.
Bang!
That is massive.
Huge
Bang.
ball. Huge ball.
Massive
Big
ball.
less to that.
Behind that tree, I didn't see it down in the viewfinder. You might see it at home.
Oh God, this rain gonna stop playing.
Bloody bombed it.
Rain gonna stop birdie balls.
Yeah.
One more birdie and it's raining too hard.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
good.
Matt. If that's captured the
Like
fairway,
that.
that'll just run forever.
Yes.
Oh.
That landed next to Lester's ball.
Oh shush, he's right next to you.
That's a great try.
Oh, how did I miss everything? Went past it.
Get that tee, nick it, get it. It'll be a Arnold Palmer tee or something.
Yeah, Leicester's.
How is that? What is that? What team's that?
Tee.
Where's that from?
Can't see that.
A little bit right now, cutting around the tree.
This tree. And comes down.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see it.
I'll tell you what, that
fairway, isn't it?
yellow ball, you see it so much better through the viewfinder.
In certain lights you do.
Brilliant.
Oh, Matt is way down.
Coming through, Matt. Just playing through.
So Dan's about 250, 40 to the flag. He's got 5 iron.
Yeah.
So again, you can really run this, chase this down with the right flight. Needs to get out of the rough on the right. Anyone see it?
Running down towards the pin. That's close.
Is it? Good shot. Good shot.
Problem is, you
See, this is
If
where
you
you want
throw
that
it-
rough, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's like because this might just float off the fairway.
but if you land it too close and not on the green, it all runs front to back.
I'm not sure this. I got rinky, and I'm not sure it's going to reach.
Might come in a bit soft.
Yeah. I think it's front edge, but I just feel like power could be miles, don't you?
Yeah, I think it will.
I feel like.
I like this club. If you can get the right shape on it,
Oh,
come
it's
out
too far.
nicely. Just missed that corner. Oh, it lipped out lovely. Yeah, lipped out and just short of the bunker. That's
Seeing
good.
that at all, is it? You've got to go way right at that, haven't you?
That was the right shape though.
Yeah, it needs to be out there more.
But the problem is, anything too close landing and it does run through. Go with what you're comfortable with. I mean, at the end of the day, you're only going to just nip through the back of the green if you get it right. So, worst case. So Leicester's got 5 iron now. That's a great shot because that's a bit more floaty, isn't it? It didn't kick left on you. That's okay. Just it was a bit floatier.
Didn't bounce, did it?
Good strike though. Good strike. Great drive by Matt. What have you got in here, Matt?
203.
203.
6 iron.
On the 6.
Just flying it all the way.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really good. Such a good strike. It's just drifting inside mine now.
Shot,
About
Matt.
the same distance, I reckon, not
No,
far away
really.
from each other. Great shot in there.
Good drive, good second.
Yeah. Right, Lester just gonna hitch one in there. Matt has played an absolute beauty in there. Such a good shot in there. Really good. Lester, you landing this short and bumping it on?
Yeah, I'm going to land at the fringe.
Yeah, okay. Just running in maybe just off his right side slightly. Not a lot. Is that running on too much? Sit down. Yeah, it's difficult that. Tough shot that. Right, chipping on.
I don't think it really matters with you where you are, Matt.
Skirted that.
Funky, this one.
You skirted the leg and then finished there. That's it. A little bit thinny. So Dan is just here, you see his marker, and I'm picking up. Pick it up. Pick that up.
Oh, pick it up.
Pick it up.
Great shot.
Thanks, yeah, thank you. Yeah, no more. Dan the man for the 3 as well.
How do you want it, Dan?
Yeah, ways good. So it's all rolled up. You have a putt, Lester?
Lester's going to have a putt for the 4, which could be a halve. I don't think they're giving Matt's. Online, no?
Good putt, yeah, pick it up.
Pick it up. Right, down for the eagle. A little closer from back there, but still a good shot from where he was.
Stays out there, doesn't it? Stays out there, that.
I think it might still be them, Matt.
Better just leave that there. Me or you?
I think it's still on Dan.
You. I think it's me, actually, yeah.
Is it? Right, this is for the eagle to go back to 2 with 2 very good shots.
Lovely.
That's like a proper eagle, really.
That was a proper
We have
eagle.
like stupid ones. That was like a bomb drive, great 6, good putt, well done. Come on, Dan, you tap yours in because you're birdie mental still.
You keep birdieing, Dan. Yeah.
Get that course record. What is the course record?
No idea, is it?
Oh, because it's changed, isn't it? Yeah, good birdie. So the course is, there isn't one yet.
When you actually did get the course record, but it didn't count.
I guess there isn't one because of the new course as well, I guess, isn't there?
Not a professional one yet.
Yeah.
Matt, what we got? I've got a 6. 6 iron from Matt. Pin's right in the middle, but at the back of the green.
Yes, at the back.
Hugely sloping green, this one. From front, back to front.
Oh, strike.
Just up the left side of the
Good shot, Matt.
Little, slightly long of pin eye, but that's still a good shot.
Left.
Yeah,
I'm
difficult.
beefcake or real 6. I think I'm real 6, ain't you? Or easy beefcake.
Oh, that was a 6 cut, but quite a good one.
Yeah.
I'm thinking I can get 6 there. Matt's just tried to. What are you beefcaking 6?
I'm coming back on the tee a bit, and then I'm just gonna like try and not do much with it.
I reckon that's a good club.
Did you grab my 7, did you?
7.
Matt's safe. There's no
Yeah, I'm
point.
pin eye.
I'm like
I
just
reckon.
landing short with the other 6. It's so frustrating this hole, isn't it? To try and get it to the flag. Didn't get all of that. I'm afraid.
Go.
High toe.
Go.
Fine, it's a putt deal, isn't it?
It's a putt up the hill, yeah.
3-1 maybe.
Dan just going to laser another iron at it, probably. Laser ball.
Laser in it,
You a 3 putt.
You still owe that, bro.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, I'm happy to have a little lag that online.
That's another back-to-back one, isn't it, Dan?
6.
Yeah,
As
come
well.
in pairs.
Yeah.
6 is good, Dan.
6.
Draw it in there. That's a bit of
Drawing
a
it in.
tuggy one. Start to left. Toey again, was it? It's fine.
222.
Yeah, didn't sound your best.
Leicester with 7. Made a birdie yet, Leicester?
Not today.
Coming
no.
up.
Not
It's
today.
just coming up.
Not today over the 2 rounds, or just today as in fake
No,
today?
he had a couple today.
I've had a couple earlier.
Yeah,
Yeah.
last week.
Last week.
last
You
week.
look tired.
Last week
getting
today.
Tired.
Get early to bed.
I'm allowed to be tired. How can you be tired? You're the whippersnapper.
You're about, I'm not.
Hit your ball. Emotionally,
I'm
you
older
are.
than the other 2.
Yeah, you are, but I only see you as like a 28-year-old, bro.
Yeah, I thought you were 28 when I first met you.
When we had that conversation earlier, I had to just literally really try for my jaw not just to drop. 30 what? Oh, that's a strike.
Here he comes.
When he needs
Turn
him.
over. Turn over a bit.
Good shot.
Where's that?
Yeah, just
Middle.
left and marked
Pin
ball.
eye,
Oh, yeah.
Further
Good
up.
shot.
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Yeah.
Leave it that.
Good shot, striker.
Thank you.
All on the green, actually.
Very sociable,
It is, yeah. Probably above me, so it might sound a bit echoey. Mark up the hill, bit right to left. 2 putts.
I can't hit it.
Get up. Oh, could have done with nice little 2 putt there.
Sorry, Matt. It's just I can't hit them hard enough.
Dan coming across and down the slope.
Just got to give that a whack up this hill. I know it's really. I know it's really. Yeah, these are tough. Small. Leicester's 2 putting. Dan's is harder if he tries to hole anything. He has to lag it up the left and then hope he doesn't leave it short-sided. And the same with Matt's. No, that's fine, but no, it's not at all, is it?
Out, Leicester. I might leave it in, actually.
Yeah. Do you want me to putt? Or will that just make it worse?
Quick, innit? So.
But you can have a go.
Well, no, it's fine.
Yep, that's fine. Are you trying to not get me on the card? Because there are internal battles that me and Matt have. I hope you know that. Yeah, that's a very good putt.
That's in. That's in.
Oh, man.
Very good putt.
Oh, that was in.
Right, Leicester has the nicest putt. Come on, Leicester, up the hill. So he's coming pretty much up the right and then braking to his left.
You want me to?
Yeah, that's a good idea. I would want him to as well.
There'll be a little bit of pressure then.
Because the green's
Well-
just wicked.
Wicked green. Wicked.
Wicked, eh?
Just wicked.
Jungle is massive.
Where's my putter? Sorry, Dad. My putter's like there's so many people on this green.
We don't normally all
I'm
hit
not
the green.
used to us all being on the green.
So Dad's going, is he?
Usually there's one or at least, or sometimes 2 just standing on the side sulking with a ball in a pocket. This swing.
Low.
Oh, hang on, Dan. You know the 4 putt rule from the back into it.
Got to tap
That
that
hadn't
in.
finished.
That was 4
That was
foot.
alright.
That was 4 foot.
Right, Leicester go back to 3, and now has to 2 putt.
Has to 2 putt. Do not race
This is
fast.
ours. This is ours. Yep, good pace.
Cozied up.
Do you want to finish?
Cozied up. Tap it in. We're losing. Tap it in.
Nearly went.
You're in my way, so do you want to putt?
I'll go if you want.
Or move?
Flat that hill, isn't it?
Yeah, you have
I'm
to
not
really-
giving him that. That's funny. That's less than a foot.
He's missed 2 of them we've given.
That is sweet.
And he has to hit that on the lip.
Danny, you just pop that one in. You don't even.
He has to hit that on the lip.
Yeah, swing it.
Be confident with that.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Laughing about Leicester.
If I miss this, I think we should give him it.
Yeah, yeah, we will, yeah.
Hope you hold it. Slow as well.
As well. Bad.
Pick it up,
Sorry,
Leicester.
Pick
Pick
it
it
up, yeah.
You can't lose
Well
it.
done.
Pick it up. Back to three. Back to three. That was a little bit of a gift. Well done, boys. 440-ish uphill. You'll see this one a lot in reviews. The £100 is basically in their pockets. Good day's work, Leicester.
Yeah, good day's
Yeah.
work.
More than you get from others.
I know. As we found out earlier. Oh, get you. This is the last time you can hit a long drive here, Leicester. So get
No, you can knock it on that one.
knock it on there. Can you?
Yeah, that one over there.
There you go. That's a bomb.
That's a good
Half
dancing.
the face is
Half
good.
the face is
Bomb. That's a ticket, that thing.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Not sure what that is yet. I haven't got in there and dug in and found out what.
Isn't that just the shaft in the neck?
Yeah.
Could be, yeah.
I think it is.
It's glue.
Yeah.
It's not a mystery. That's the sound it makes. Oh, snippy.
Spit it out. Underneath it.
Just caught the tree. I think I heard it.
Oh,
Did you not hear it?
That was long, Leicester.
Oh, it's just delicate, isn't it? Oh, didn't come back quite enough. Come on, keep trying. Get alive.
Is that down? I don't see that down.
Tree-ish line.
Yeah.
Trius alinus. Not far from being a logger.
Right in there, Healy
Gotta
cut.
start them left. Nice shape, start them left.
Oh yeah, maybe I did see that down in those trees there, yeah.
Trius line, and then we just need to get lucky.
There they are, little Ryder Cup team, there they are waving. There they are. Matt just giving Mark a bit of, you know, bit of comfort, bit of help,
Encouragement.
bit of encouragement, yeah. Just up there, Matt, Mark, just pop it through there. What you think? Just there, Matt? Yeah, just there. Just chase it in. Almost going low, I think. Going in low.
Oh.
Yeah, there it goes.
Oh.
See it running there? It's out.
Right, Dan's absolutely fine. He won't really, thanks Lister, he won't, he can just play a normal shot I reckon. He shouldn't hit this up here and then he'll go over that. 128 wedge.
Yeah, I got wedge.
This is a good drive. Yep, that should be up there.
Oh.
Get up there, stay up there.
Yeah,
That's a
middle
good
tier,
shot.
that's
That's all
where
you
you
need.
need to
Middle
be, yeah.
tier on here.
Middle tier.
Good. Very easy to come off the front. Good shot. Got wedge, Matt? Okay. Matt's got about 100, 110. Again, just got to find that middle tier.
Oh, a bit heavy. That's good. I think
I can't see. Where is
it's
it?
either gone long or it's very close because it's bounced off the back of the trap and kind of might just run round the slope towards the pin.
What have you got, Leicester?
Wedge.
Yeah, just a nice smooth one.
There's a lot of no's from Matt there, wasn't there?
No, no. Incorrect.
Sounding crisp. Any eyes?
Straight at it. Straight at it.
Be the club then.
Straight at it. That's that. Stay there. Oh, it's off the front there. Look at it come down.
Yeah, he's got to use the back. I'm lucky he got to use the backstop for Leicester's spin.
Just spinning back.
Yeah, unlucky
shame
Leicester, unlucky.
Such a good shot on
Where did you end up, Matt? Did you see it?
Back right, I reckon.
Back right. It looked like it kind of either went shooting up the slope or it came kind of between the two.
No, I don't think it went up the slope.
Oh. Good chat, boys.
Right, Mark playing in. Probably got about 60 yards. A little knob wedge up there. Get it up.
Go, go,
Get
go.
up.
Oh, sure.
Get up.
Leave this one to you, Matt, I think.
Okay.
Mark's just having a little chip up now. Yeah, he's alright.
Each stroke,
He's
I'm
all
getting
right.
closer. It gets a little bit of a feel like this is over here. Matt has no putt, so basically he's got a tier starting here, all the way downhill. He could be down where Leicester is. Dan's hit a great shot pin eye from where he was, very good control. This is a 4 and 3 anti-climax, a shame. Dan's just owned it. Too many birds. Are you going to come in, Leicester?
Come on. Using the slope.
That's the first one I've seen, a little finny. Right, Matt needs to hit a miracle, but I reckon even if he stops it at the top, I don't think it stops. I'm not sure he can keep this on the green.
Great pace.
So that's
So
as
good.
soft as he can get that almost there, and here it goes. Yeah, that's so good, Matt. Very, very good putt. Right, Dan's got a putt for the 4 and 3, 2 putts possibly for the 4 and 3. And we're going down the next.
Go, go.
It's fine, it's just a tentative one.
Pick it up.
Pick it up, Danny boy.
Pick that up.
Right, this to stay, 3 down, 3 to go. Well, that is just a good display of birdieing from Danny boy.
It was indeed.
Pushed it. Unlucky. 4 and 3, well done boys. That was a good little series, that.
Very good. Well done, babe.
Well done,
make a birdie,
Leicester,
mate.
thank you.
No, I didn't.
Oh. Well done, Dan.
Well done, mate.
Well played,
Thank you very
Dan.
much.
Well done,
Thank
partner.
you.
Well done.
Well done,
Thank you. Well
buddy.
done, partner.
Very good.
There we go, so we're not going to the casino because those two don't want to come.
Not me. Not me.
I know, I want them to. I'm pointing the camera at the people I'm talking about. He makes you pay for Torquay brollies.
Yeah, unbelievable, isn't it? No freebies here, bro.
What the tightest boss ever.
Oh, it's just... Honestly, he said, I said, well, I asked for a pay rise, and he said, you've got one in April. And I was like, yeah, so everybody got one, didn't they? It was minimum wage went up.
I like this. Carry on.
No, I was we're never going to get rich working for Dan.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Jesus. You know when he used to go away, like I used to be assistant here. No, honestly, he used to go away, and he used to phone me up, and I'd be like, "What do you want?" And he'd be like, "Oh, you got any golf balls?" Like literally, I used to sponsor him, and now, like,
Now you search his golf balls.
Oh, no, I
Nightmare.
don't think so, honestly, yeah.
Nightmare, isn't he?
It's not like that in the
He has
Muppet
so
Tour.
many days off
Leicester.
too.
He's never here, is he?
He's
No.
no.
You should be a pro here.
Well,
Yeah.
I've been offered it a couple of times.
You
but
should swap
I didn't-
roles.
Well,
Yeah.
I like that seat too much, so you know I sit down too much. So.
Here he comes.
Right, he's coming.
Hey,
Shh.
Great boss,
Yeah.
Dan.
He's coming. Yeah, he's a pleasure, isn't he?
He's such
Honestly,
a nice
every-
man
He's
to
back.
work with.
Shh.
Such a nice guy to
What do you
work
mean?
with. Who? You.
it must have